Okay, ready? Hi, Florence. Okay, so this is the app that you're going to download on Google Play, My ViewBoard Companion. I already have it, so let me just go ahead and open it. My ViewBoard Companion. I have already signed in. So once you sign in with your email and password, you'll see your login screen and you'll tap the QR code, and that accesses your camera to scan the code to log into the whiteboard. Okay, so I'm on the PC side. I'm going to open ViewBoard. There it is, okay, and then the QR code appears there, and I'm going to scan. It's very sensitive. It's scanned, that disappears and shows that I'm logged in. So now that I'm logged in, I can save everything. So if you're working on your view board, you want to save it for each period, okay, you can tap the folder icon. Tap the folder. And I'm going to click the save icon with the pencil so that I can name it. So I'm going to save as. The PC, the hard drive is selected. I'm going to go to Documents. I'm going to double tap. And there will be a My ViewBoard folder. At the bottom, you can name it. So if it's for period 1, I'm just going to type period 1, just for fun. And then you have to tap the check to save it. Tap the check. So now if you're ready to go on to the next class, you can add another blank board and start your notes for the next class. To access previous whiteboards, you go to the folder and tap the folder icon that has the document. Tap Open, Documents, My ViewBoard, and then you will see all of your previously created files.